Assalamu alaikum everyone. So I'm here again with the new chapter videos. Is chapter 5, which is triangles and its properties. Okay, so you're going to study about triangles, okay, and different properties of the triangle and different things you're going to study about the triangle and this unit. Okay, so as everyone knows what is a triangle, this shape is called a triangle. Tri is okay. Tri is three sides and also angles. Okay, so any triangle will have three sides and three angles. All right, so this is it has three corners. All right, these are all, each triangle will have three corners or vertices. Okay, vertex A, vertex B and vertex C, and sides are AB, BC and CA. Okay, and angles you can say angle A, this one angle A, angle B and angle C. Okay, so now let's see different types of triangles. Okay, classification of triangles. The triangles are divided. There are different types of triangles. Okay, the first, based on the sides of the triangle, you have three: equilateral, isosceles, and scalar triangle. Okay, so equilateral triangle, your all the sides of it are equal. Okay, so if I take what is equilateral triangle, I have this triangle, this like this. Okay, this the sides, or all the sides are equal. Okay, if I say A, B and C, so your sides AB will be equal to BC, this will be equal to CA. So in equilateral means all the sides are equal. Okay, so this is called as equilateral triangle. And also, you know what, in equilateral triangle your angles are also equal. Remember this. Okay, so anyway, equilateral triangle we call, we are dividing it based on the sides. Okay, so first is equilateral triangle, the other is what, isosceles triangle. Okay, and the other is scalene triangle. Okay, so first is all the sides are equal. All right, in isosceles triangle your two sides are equal. Okay, let me take like this. This measurement of two sides, okay, they are equal. All right, so this side is equal to this. Okay, whereas this side is not equal. So your A, B, C, if they are vertices of the triangle, here you can see AC will be equal to BC, is equal to BC. Okay, so if two sides are equal, then you will say that is they are of same size, then you will say that this triangle as what, isosceles triangle. Okay, repeat this loudly so that you will remember: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. In scalene triangle your all the sides are unequal. Okay, if I draw something like this, okay, something like this, your all the sides of this triangle AB is not equal to BC and this is not equal to CA. Okay, so in isosceles two sides are equal, in equilateral all the three sides are equal. Okay, and there's only two sides are equal. All right, and in scalene no sides are equal. Okay, all the sides are they are of different size. Okay, So based on the sides, you have triangles are divided into three, that is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. Now when you come for the angles, the triangles are divided into three again based on angles. Okay, angle of a triangle. So if the angles in the triangle are that is less than 90 degrees, to this type of triangle you call it as acute angle triangle. Okay, see, at least one angle is not greater than 90 degrees. Okay, and if one of the angle it is 90 degrees, all right, so you call it as right angle triangle. Okay, right angled triangle. And if one angle is above your it is something like greater than 90 degrees, okay, that is 120 or something like that, then you call this type of angle as obtuse angle. Okay, so triangles based on your sides. Okay, so triangles classification, you can say, based on sides and based on angles, it is divided into three. On sides you have equilateral. Okay, repeat this loudly: equilateral triangle, then isosceles triangle. Okay, and the third is what? Scalene triangle. Okay, and based on angles, okay, the type of angles in your triangle, based on that you have three types again. One is what? Acute angle triangle, then right angled triangle. Okay, and the last is obtuse angle triangle. All right, so now let's see this important topic. You can say next topic in the triangles is relationship between the sides of a triangle. Okay, so what are the relationship between the sides of a triangle? Let's see now. Okay, so this is important, you can say, and you'll get questions based on this topic. Okay, we have one exercise totally, I can say. All right, so okay, what is the relationship between the sides of a triangle? Okay, in normal terms I will just explain you. Whenever you have a triangle, okay, like this A, B and C, okay, if you add two sides, okay, AB and then plus AC, the sum of these two sides will always be greater than this side BC, the other side. Okay, sum of two sides will be greater than the third side always. All right, now if I get any if I have some triangle something like this also, all right, this ABC, if I take sum of any two sides, okay, in this if I take these two BC plus CA, this will be greater than the third side AB. Okay, so any two sides sum, the third side that sum will be greater than the third side. And this also, if you see, if I take AB and BC sum, okay, AB plus BC, this will be greater than AC. You can check, you can measure, draw some triangle, okay, and measure the sides, the length of these sides, all right, and add any two sides and see whether this at the third it is always greater than the third side, the sum, that particular sum. If I take the other as AC plus BC, this will be greater than what? AB. Okay, or if I take AB plus AC, this will be greater than BC. So what will happen is, this one you can verify. Okay, take your scales, draw some any type of triangle. Okay, you just measure the two sides and see that the third side is what this the sum of these two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, any side you can measure, two sides measure. Okay, if you have measured this and this side, and this side will be the sum of these two sides will be greater than this. Okay, what will happen is they will give you some measures. Okay, and they will ask you to find whether a triangle can be formed by these measures. Okay, let me take one example and explain how exactly this the question is going to be. Okay, so now the question will be asked like they have given you the measurements. Okay, like this three sides measurements. Okay, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter, and they are asking whether is it possible to have a triangle with these following sides. Okay, can you construct a triangle or no by using these sides, they are asking us. Okay, let's verify according to the property, or you can say the sides of a triangle property. What is it? Two sides sum should be greater than the third side. Okay, let me do first 3 plus 4. Okay, this is how much? 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 centimeter, which is greater than the third measurement, that is 5 centimeter. Okay, so this one is clear. Okay, now let me add these two now. That is 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. Here also centimeter. Okay, so this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9 centimeter, which is what? Greater than the third side, that is 3 centimeter. Okay, other possible way you need to check is I will take these two measures. Okay, sides, that is 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. Okay, how much it is? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 centimeter, which is greater than your 4 centimeter, the other left out side. So since the sum of the two sides, any two sides which we are taking, it is always greater, okay, with that of the third side. So you will say that we can construct construct a triangle by using these measures. All right, so this is an interesting fact. Okay, if I say you can easily draw a triangle, okay, by using this. So first, if I take 4 centimeter down, okay, and take a rounder and cut with the 3 centimeter arc, and then take 5 centimeter arc, little somewhere cut here. So your triangle, you can form it like this. Okay, this I'll take, say it's 5 centimeters and this is 3 centimeters. Alright, this is how normally you will construct a triangle by using your compass or a rounder, you can say. Alright, so anyways, this construction is not there for you in your syllabus, just for idea's sake how you can do. I had shown you. Alright, so only they will ask you the verification, okay, with the measures given, if is it possible to construct a triangle by using these measures. How you will see, you will just add the two sides and check whether the sum of those two sides is greater than the third side or no. If it is greater, then only you can say that you can construct a triangle. If for example, if I take something like 3 centimeter, okay, 4 centimeter and one as 2 centimeter. Alright, so sorry, let me take this as 12 centimeter. Okay, so if I add these two measure, this thing, 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter is how much? 4, 5, 6, 7. This is equal to 7 centimeter. So sum of these two sides, the two sides, is less than the third side. The third side is how much? 12 centimeter, isn't it? So this kind of, by using this kind of measures, you cannot construct a triangle. Understood? Okay. So this condition is false. Now if you add these two, 3 4 5, you will get 15 centimeter greater than 4 centimeter. Okay, but this 3 plus 4, it is 7 centimeter, which is less than the third side 12 centimeter. So by using this measurement you cannot construct a triangle. All right, so this was an important topic in this. Now what we had seen, all these the types of triangle. Okay, this these are all easy to remember, isn't it? The new topic maybe it is for you is the sides. Okay, that is relationship between the sides of a triangle. We will revise this again in the next video as well. Okay, and when we meet in on Zoom, we can do the problems. If you have any doubt, we can again discuss on in the live class. Okay, so until I meet again with a new video or on the Zoom meeting, I would like to take off from you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.